Every day in the news, you can see in the weather forecast for the next few days, telling us if it will be sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, or cold. From pilots to farmers and entrepreneurs, weather forecasts are essential in our daily activities and help us in preparing ahead. But how did we get to predicting the weather in the most accurate fashion? Today, we will be exploring the origin of weather forecasts, how exactly they work, and how reliable they are. Weather forecasts have been around since the beginning of civilization, when humans used recurring meteorological and astronomical events to better monitor weather patterns and plan for seasonal changes. This was initially based on the observation of the sky, wind, and temperature. Over time, these forecast techniques evolved into more advanced and reliable ones. By the 1700s, the development of the barometer and the thermometer transformed the art of forecasting the weather, and this paved way for more accurate weather predictions techniques as time rolled by. But how does a weather forecast work in modern times? There are 3 layers to understand this. First is to know the current weather conditions. Then the meteorologists feed that data into supercomputers and then compare it with past atmospheric conditions. You see, accurate forecasts begin with knowing what the weather is doing right now. Meteorological centers worldwide collect millions of observations every day, measuring variables like temperature, rainfall, pressure, wind, and humidity. These observations are made using tools like weather satellites, rain gauges, thermometer, windsock, marine sensors, and radar. Once these observations are gathered, they are fed into computer models that are used to calculate how the current weather will change over time. Meteorologists then use this data to check for similar patterns that have occurred before. If, for instance, the temperature, wind, and cloud matches what usually happens before a stormy day, they can predict the outcome to a great degree, and the final picture, that's your weather forecast. But you also need to keep in mind that even the best forecast isn't an absolute guarantee. It's still a prediction, and while that prediction is mostly accurate for the next day or two, further predictions might become more tricky as the atmosphere is not static, and tiny changes in temperature or wind can make huge differences on how the weather turns out to be. We hope you now understand that weather forecast is not magic, but series of carefully studied data, observations, and advanced technological inputs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.